Welcome, automation enthusiasts. Have you ever filled out a form online, hit submit, and instead of receiving a pleasant confirmation encounter an error? Today we'll be understanding and troubleshooting the HTTP 400 byte request error. So let's get started. I will explain easily with example so you can understand. Step 1. Accessing Network tab in Chrome Developer Tool. Right-click on the web page, then select Inspect. Navigate to Network tab. Now, here is our scenario. Step 2. Imagine you are trying to sign up for a website, and after filling out your information and clicking on the Submit button, instead of being welcome, you are greeted with an error message. We are going to fill in our information. Now, we are going to click on Sign Up button. Okay. Step 3. Identify the error in DevTools. In the Network tab, look for the request highlight in red, indicating an error. Upon clicking on this request, detailed information will display, including a status that reads the 400 byte request. Step 4. Understanding the 400 byte request. HTTP 400 byte request error indicate that the server could not process the request because the client side sent incorrect or corrupted data. Especially with POST requests, this could mean the data you submit was not what the server expected. Okay? Step 5. Investigating further. Navigate to the Response tab. This will show what the server returned. Occasionally, it includes a detailed error message clarifying the reason for rejection. Step 6. Troubleshooting. Based on what you discover, data issue ensure all required fields are filled out correctly. Always note that 400 byte request is a standard HTTP status code. It means that the request you made to the server was somehow incorrect or incomplete. If you like what you watch, consider subscribing for more content. We truly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.